Hello there and welcome back to Satisfactory. Yes, we're back on Satisfactory once again, going to be continuing our single player playthrough. Yes. Alright, so, first things first, we're going to go ahead and just hop right on into getting into the calendar. Today is the 18th. I know it's the 19th for you guys, but it is the 18th for me. I'm always a day behind. But let's see if we can find... see if we can find... I see 19 right there, but let's see if we can find number 18. Right there. Perfect. Ooh. Oh. Fixmas board left over. Exactly.
I thought I had destroyed every copy of this tape. How does it keep turning up? No matter. Ignore it. There's nothing interesting on it anyway. In fact, listening to it causes hallucinations, and eventually, after 7 days, your brain melts. For your own sake, I advise avoiding it at all costs.
Alright. Alright, we'll take a look at that in just a moment, yeah? Let's see. Songs of Conquest. Did we pick this up at some point? I don't know where that came from. But this one. I got some more Christmas music. Hold on. The heck was that? Sounded like somebody shot themselves. What is going on there? Like, yeah, it is. It sounded so good, and then they had to ruin it. Yeah. Nah, I'm not really a super heavy metal fan. I mean, I could enjoy some, but classic rock's where it's at for me. Anyway, here is we're listening to that. Here is our Fixmas Factory. Sorry, that's super distracting. It's super distracting. I have to turn it off. But yeah, this is our Fixmas Factory. Still making stars. After all this time, we got Summer Sloop in there too. We got it duplicating up there, which is that it's making 2 per minute, and we're up to this many in the thing. Oh, we've got a problem over there at the aluminum factory. Well, we're heading over there anyway, so. But yeah, if you weren't here last time, we had finished the bauxite loop. We also got our coal. We got our coal and our bauxite being delivered to the factory. We got all the coal we need. Now we just need to finish off today getting all the miners for the bauxite around the actual factory itself, getting it brought up to that train station, and then getting... gonna ride the lightning here. And then getting... walls put on it, getting a logistics floor. That's kind of our goal today, so we're going to be trying to at least get some of the logistics floor started, at the very least. I'm not going to say what's going to happen or what we're going to get done, but I wanted to go this way. There we go. And whatnot. We'll see what happens. There's our temporary train. But yeah, we'll see what happens here. See how much work we can actually get done. Alrighty, and here we are at the very end of our little factory. Oops. So I wasn't tabbed in. Alright, what do we got going on here? Oh, the signals broke. They were working earlier today. What happened? Yeah, for some reason my signals broke. I don't know. Signal loop bull crap, it loops itself. Oh, my freaking intersection bugged out. Alright, let's see what track it is. It's not that one. I hate when this happens. It is a nuisance. It's not that one. Yeah, I completely rebuilt this intersection when I first built it. I rebuilt it to make sure that no bugs would happen, but it's not that one either. You know what? Here. This. Oh, it's snowing. Yeah, I don't know. Is it snowing? I'm not really sure. Hard to tell these days. Let's try again. It's not that one. It must be one of these then. It's not that one. Okay. Not that one. It must be a broken signal. Yeah, it might be a broken signal, or yeah, it's a broken signal. Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, I bet you it still says, yeah, signal loops itself, which it does not. Let's see which signal it is. It's not that one. It's not this one, clearly. Not that one. That'll allow that train to go, though. Oops. Let that train go by. Okay, is this signal broken then? No. Okay, something is still broken. I broke both intersections now. What the heck? Signal does not loop itself. It's not possible. Fine, I'll remove all of the corners. It was one of the corners too. Alright. See if we put them back. Okay, then this is broken. No? That's easily put back. I'll have to remove the signal, because that was now completely disconnected. Signal loops. How? You're not even connected to the... You're not even connected, man. Like, that signal over there is fine. Okay. Yeah, there's some weirdness going on. Alright, let's start over. Yeah, something is bugged like crazy. Okay, these signals are working properly. Yep, that intersection is working properly. Okay. Oh, crap. Yep, I think I might have screwed myself over there. Might be able to fix it. I didn't think about like I said, I might be able to fix it. But that's me. Okay, let's put a block or a path signal here. Block has no exit. Okay, that's what I want to see. This is good. Let's put it straight across. Signal loops itself. How? How? How does this... Really? It was the end one that whole time. You gotta be kidding. It was the little end piece somehow thought. Yeah, see, now it's working properly. Hey. Well, at least we found the culprit, I guess. It is kind of annoying, though. I kind of need these pieces to be here. Man, when it bugs out, sometimes it just really bugs out. And it makes you... Look, now it's looping itself again. What is happening? I've never had this problem before. Is it this particular block signal? Is that it's bugged? I wasn't trying to go that way with it. Okay. That has been fixed. Now it's fine. Yeah. For some reason it thought these two were connected, and that block signal was I don't know what was happening. Alright, I should be able to connect this. That should stay fine. Yep, okay, good. Alright. So now, start connecting these bits. I'll keep an eye on that signal to make sure. Yeah, you're screaming at me because you have no path to get over here. Yep, it bugged out again. Oh, never mind. Conflicting entry types. That's just because there's a block signal way down there for this whole entire piece. But now we should be able to... give me that one. Let's put the music back on. Completely forgot. But let's... No, I need that. Give me that back. Okay, well, you guys sit here for like 20 minutes for fixing that intersection. Yeah, it was working for a little bit. I wonder if it just bugged out. Just wonder why it bugged out, essentially. Okay, now what? Signal loops itself. Alright, hold on. There's Ada. That's bugged out again. How? It keeps thinking that this piece is attached, but it's not. Like, it's not... Oh, and this one doesn't even have an intersection in there. That'll cause issues. Give me... Please stop. It's breaking. Oh. Oh, did you see that? That signal was on the wrong side of the track. The signal still loops itself somehow. It's this piece that's causing it. Yeah, see, and it's not detecting that there's a block signal there anymore. Right, there's a pass signal. There we go. If I take... Okay, that fixed that. Aha! Fixed it. Finally. Yeah, see. What's she saying?
Interrupting previous message for higher priority message.
I gotta hear this. That is interesting. We're getting super distracted.
Does it satisfy you to spend your days chasing gifts?
Yes.
Does it feel like an achievement, so joyfully neglecting our mission? Do you think your tree is pretty enough for you to deserve humanity's forgiveness?
Man, it's like really super chill. Like, what the heck? Alright, now that we fixed that stupid intersection. Sometimes the intersections just break. And there's no way to fix them. Other than build it 100 times until it finally unbugs itself. How much bauxite are we bringing in at the moment? 2 piers and a normal, so that's 1200 plus 6, or no, plus 3. So 1500 right now. That. Alright, so we're missing 1,000 and some.
The Fixmas tree stands as a monument to inefficiency. For what is Fixmas if not an insult to productivity? A seasonal event where joy is manufactured, constructed, assembled. Completing your Fixmas tasks will not result in a tangible reward, but you will be gifted the eventual knowledge that all this time could have been used to achieve true, meaningful contribution.
What kind of supports do we want to go with as well? That's something else we got to think about. Because we need to get the supports in, so I know where to pull the belts. I'll be in the way of my own supports. Yeah, I kind of want to do concrete ones, to be honest. Let's see, I thought we had... Didn't we have, like, big pillars? Mega bridge support. Oh, yeah, I remember these. This is our whole foundation piece. We can calculate where to put each of them. We could, like, delete. Like that, maybe. What is happening? It's a very strange tape. Oh, that's the top piece. What the heck? Oh, we can't. Yeah, that's too much work. Wait. What if we did this? Oh, it doesn't even go all the way to the ground. Wasn't there like a bottom piece or something we had? Something like that. Oh yeah, these ones! Oh, these ones are really good. I don't think I ever made a bottom to them though. Mega bridge supports. Big support A. Oh yeah, these ones. Yeah, these ones are good too. I like these. Okay, yeah, I think I'll go with those instead. Those would be a little easier to calculate where to put. And stuff like that, you know. Alrighty, finally got my supports in. Whoops. There we go. Wrong tab. Yeah, finally got my supports in though, underneath. I'm not going to do the center supports, there's no real reason, to be honest. It looks supported enough. I'm not going to draw supports down the middle of it too. But yeah, we got supports in. I did try to keep myself in tune with the little rivers here so that areas like this, the water could flow through the supports, you know, different areas and whatnot. Where just had to poke some holes. But yeah, works pretty good. But now that we got the supports in, and we know everything was going, now we can finally get around to the miners. And stuff like that too, so go ahead and upload these. Get them out of here. Okay. Let's go and make our way over this way. So this miner is pure. Yeah, so let's add the pier to... Whoops, I'm out of power. Okay. Let's go ahead and add the pier to the actual number that we have sitting over here. And see what we're up to. So, 1,500 plus another 600. That's going to be 2,100. So 2,100 so far. Getting there. I think another pier node, if we can get one, that would be nice. Or 2 normals, or just whatever we can get, to be honest. Now I guess the deciding is which way do I want to go with it, because I guess I could go at an exact angle and get it like up here. I guess that is possible. Let's see. How do I want to do that? Probably. We're going to use ceiling mounts, of course. We vertical this. Get rid of all that. Oops. I need power! Okay. Okay, I guess what we'll do is we'll just aim for this little platform. That should get us there. So if we do probably 6, put it like that. Grab our 4, aim it directly towards that. Should be able to do 3. Perfect. We will have to probably turn this. Yeah, just turn it like... Yeah, turn it like that. That'll work. Okay, then we'll grab some architecture, of course. We need some support for our lift here. I think that's good. I hope that's good. Just give a little support look to our lift there. Of course, reduction Mark II, because that's what we have available. Aim this there. Now, there's a reason I took this to the corner, because if you actually look, actually, it might not have been. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought. I thought it was a little further. But yeah, we'll just bam. Okay. Let's go ahead and fully overclock that. Of course, we'll need some power. Now I'm going to run the power underneath as well, so that we don't have power poles going to places they don't need to be going. Just makes a little more sense to me like that. Yeah, we can get that a little closer. Probably in there. Of course, we're going to make that a Mark II pole. We can take a Mark II. We can actually stick a Mark II on the side of that lift right there. Wall connector. And that will get us connected to this power. And I'm going to put a... Yeah, we'll put a connector just like right there. It's fine. And we need to pull that over. So basically, we need to bring that in over here, which is going to go directly into these 2 ports right here. So we're going to go logistics. We're going to put down a couple floor holes. If I put this like this floor hole like this, then I can directly connect the lifts without any interfering. I'm actually going to do Mark V here. Just because. I gotta, you know, we can do Mark V in a few select places. Till we can get the aluminum going. And bauxite. There we go. Okay. So now we just got to connect to these 2 lifts. And another 600 will cover us, right? Oops. 25. So we're at 2100 now. We only need 493 essentially. So yeah, another pier node or 2 normals will get us there. And that'll get us more bauxite than we need, which is good. Yeah, for doing 1,000 sheets per minute and 1,000 casings per minute, It's quite a big haul. So, yeah. Now we just got to get power down there somehow. Let's see, what would be the best way to power this? Because we're going to be pulling power from these train stations. Well, at least from the train station, I should say. I might do this. I think it's here, is it? Oh, over for there. Right there. I didn't go high enough, did I? No, I did. Okay. Like, nope, we're good. Train station's so full it can't load anymore. Grab a couple Mark IIs here. Should be able to connect to this train station, but it won't let me. No empty power connections. Oh, it's bugged. Oh, duh. I don't know why I didn't, for some reason, didn't think of that. Like, of course it's still connected, you idiot. Go right middle here. A connection right there. Alright. And that'll give us multiple connection points wherever we want to connect from. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this to right here. Make that a Mark II. I'm going to put a sign on this. It won't let me put one. Oh, interesting. Actually, it will if I remove the... If I remove the power pole and remove this. Do... It goes right there. Yep. Move the pole. There we go. And then put the power pole back. There we are. Okay. Layout. This. Actually, we could do, well, might do this actually. Well, this will probably work. Actually, just whatever it was set to. Why is that? It's not quite, something's weird with that. Oh well. Select the icon, let's give a monochrome, like a warning symbol. Select color, I'm going to put that in red, and let's give it maybe 2. Yeah, that'll work. And then put it in all caps. Do not remove. Oh, well, crap. Alright, I guess we'll do it with this layout, or... Oh, I see, that'll center it. Interesting. Alright. Yeah, we'll just go with this. And then we'll go... There. Of course, we can go even more fancy with it if we want. Do this. Then hit Control C. Remove this text. We not? Yeah, something's definitely. Yeah, you're supposed to be able to type in that. It's supposed to give you a. There it is. Okay, I'll have to get rid of the. Oh, it's not gonna fit. It's not gonna fit. We tried. We gave it our all. All right. Control C on that. Control V over here. There we go. So basically, I'm just telling myself to remind myself later. Do not remove this power pole because this power pole is going to supply our miners down here. Should have probably looked where it was. I'm going to take a guess and say not there. Yeah. Let's see, just judging by where the wire is at. Oh, I can actually see the pole. Yeah, that should be exact. Yep. Okay. And then we'll run this probably right along with our belt. Let me get this belt hooked up and get this miner going. Alrighty then, now that miner is connected, should be start seeing some bauxite come out of that. And then we just need to connect another bauxite node. This is another normal. Uh-oh. Oh no, we might be screwed on the bauxite. I thought we had another pure node over here. Am I blind? I could have swore that was enough bauxite. Let's see, that's only going to be 2,400. And Crapolis. I guess we won't be able to run full bore until we have what you call it? I don't really know. Until we have Mark III miners. There we go. My brain did not want to work. Alrighty then. Finally got that miner hooked up. That did take me a little bit, actually. Sadly, it's only 300. Like I said, I actually did this all on Mark V, by the way. I was like, I got like halfway through it or so, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm doing this on Mark V. Whoops, you know what? Screw it. We'll do it on Mark V. Okay, so that's we're gonna be just shy of the amount of bauxite that we need to be bringing in. Now, however, we can fix this pretty easily if we unlock the Mark III miner, but obviously it's not gonna happen. It is not gonna happen, not today. But that does get us up to 24, because yeah, 2,400. 2,400 out of the 2,592 that we really need. That's pretty damn close for all the miners that we had, or for all the bauxite nodes that we had in this area. Oh yeah, our thing is also depowered too, so let's go ahead and repower that. Oh, I knew there was more. That impure node will pull that impure node will pull us through, but look how far it is away. Like compared to where this one was. Is our things right about there? Yeah. I might send a train down to go get this. Dang it, I don't want to do that though. How far away is that node? Go for a jetpack. I thought there was more bauxite around here, but I couldn't remember where. Right, so let's see how far this is away. This is going to be an absolute pain in my butt. It's already taken forever just to get this much bauxite. Is it around here somewhere? Oops. What? The canceled itself out. There's our bauxite right there. Okay, looks like we're going to be using the... if it's close enough. Yeah, I'm going for the impure node. Because that'll get us... so 2400 plus the 150. That's 2559. Oh crap. How much do we need? Yeah, we might be going for that pier node. It's a really long belt. And I don't want to send a train station all the way out there just for one pier node, you know what I mean? That is way... it's way too close, I should say. I'm stuck. I tried to leave as much of this forest down here as I could. It's either that or we wait till we have Mark III miners in order to get us there. Yeah, because even that one is not enough because it's gonna be 150 with a impure node on a Mark II fully overclocked is gonna be that. So also I think we need to start thinking about power as well again. I mean we're getting close. We can throw down another one of those boosters. I don't know if that booster will get it. It might be a solid 10% boost. I don't remember. But anyway, yeah, I think that's what we'll do is we'll wait for the Mark III miner. And that'll just be so much easier than trying to run a belt all the way here from all the way out there. Like, that'd be a really, really long belt. I mean, that's past that bridge. And then some. Yeah, it's like here's so the bridge is roughly okay, so the bridge is here because that's right there is where we have that little curve. So the bridge is there. It's twice the distance from that bridge. So it's like way out that way. Yeah, I mean it is if we need more bauxite in the future then we'll think about it, but I think for now I think we'll wait for the Mark III miner, and that should get us. But we're damn close. We're really damn close. So at least we got enough coal, I suppose, and we got enough copper being brought in. It's just that bauxite's gonna hurt us a little bit. Yeah. So we'll wait for the Mark III miner to make that happen for us, and we could throw that Mark III miner anywhere. Alright, so now that we have that, we need to get our walls up on this factory here. Okay. Turn that back on. Turn that back on. Alright, yeah. So we just need to get our walls in place. Now, the walls are going to be interesting. I haven't come up with a design for the walls yet. I might temporarily put in a wall just to get us up and over the train station, but... And then what we'll do is we'll put a 2 meter on top of that. Yes, and that gets us up and over the train station. Okay. So this will be the logistics floor. Right above this. At least the start of a logistics floor, anyway. Who frickin' knows, man? Who knows? Okay. It's gonna take a minute. Let me get this all filled in. Alrighty. So I spent a few hours actually doing this. Not just this platform, but I've been doing the wall as well, trying to design it how I want to design it and stuff like that, just based on the like Japanese temples and stuff like that. So this is kind of what I've come up with. I haven't got the wall all the way around yet, but I think I might have captured it a little bit. Anyway, ooh, don't have any power. Give me power. There we go. I think this looks pretty good. I like the overhangs of the foundations half a meter, because I think that'll really kind of give the look I'm looking for, I guess you could say. The look I'm going for, anyway. These are made up of pieces, aluminum factory walls. We got 1, 1, and then 3 on this. And where the 2 and 4 are at, there's like roughly in the middle. It doesn't really matter if they're in the middle or not, just as long as they fit. I just wouldn't want to have to completely change it each time. So this is kind of what I've come up with. I think that'd make a nice wall. So then up here it's going to be roughly the same size. We'll take this wall here and we'll kind of copy it, but it's only going to be this tall essentially, and of this size, and then we're going to go smaller with it. I think will work. So yeah, kind of like that. Oop, not far enough. There we go. Yeah. But yeah, kind of only that tall or so, because we really don't need a whole lot of space for the floor. And then above that's going to be another floor, or it's going to be another one of these 2-meter floors right above this. We could actually put it there, I think. Just as long as it's exact. It has to be exact for the staircases and such. But yeah, I think it's all right. It'll be a big box, of course. Well, I mean, most Japanese temples are just big rectangles essentially anyway. So then from here, what I'm thinking is when we go up to the next floor, that floor is actually going to be smaller, and the tower is going to get smaller. So we got the main logistics floor here, and then for all of our belts, it's going to be all of our belts, all of our pipes. For the most part, other than the feedback loop system, but the main water is going to go from here and get pumped up. And then above this floor is going to be, where did we want to start? I think we wanted to cascade down with the aluminum factory. So we start with, we start with making the alumina solution, and then we pipe the alumina solution down from the, yeah, because we need more space when we get to the aluminum sheets and the aluminum casings. We're gonna need a crap ton of machines and a crap ton of space, so that's why it's good to get the production of that on the floor right above the main logistics. And then of course we're gonna have a logistics floor above that, and we're gonna be doing the aluminum ingots and the copper ingots as well. And then we're going to pipe that up to the aluminum scrap. And then right above the aluminum scrap is going to be the alumina solution. And that should be the top of it. Yeah. So basically it's going to cascade downwards. So the alumina solution is going to be at the top. The aluminum scrap is going to be right below it. And then right below that's going to be the aluminum ingots. And then right below that's going to be the copper ingots, or we could, no, yeah, we'll have to split those just because of the numbers here. But these ones are smaller than a foundation, so we could definitely make them fit. Hopefully, anyway. And then right below that's going to be our assemblers, which are going to do those, and then that's going to be then pumped down to here. So we're going to have logistics floors in between each, so it's going to be a pretty tall building. But like I said, I'm going to try and make it smaller each time, but we may not be able to make that happen. I may have to do multiple floors at this size just so that we could fit everything. Because I'm looking at the, sorry, I'm a little tired. I'm looking at the aluminum ingots and I'm just like, holy freaking crap, man. that is a lot of smelters. That is a heck of a lot of smelters. And if you don't know, I'm using the sloppy alumina solution, of the sloppy alumina recipe, which is an alternate to the regular. And basically I don't get a byproduct of silica. And then I'm using the pure aluminum ingot. That's why I need smelters rather than foundries. Because since I'm using the pure aluminum ingot, because I've eliminated the silica byproduct, and I've also eliminated the silica need to make aluminum, so I'm making a pure aluminum ingot from scrap directly, and then we're just using the copper to make our copper sheet or our aluminum sheets and our casings, and we need so much copper because we're using the alternate for the aluminum casing called the alclad casing, which also needs copper. So we need the copper to be split between these two sets in order to make 1,000 per minute on each of those. So yeah, going to be a pretty fun time. I don't know how long this is going to take us a long time to do. But now that I've got the blueprints for the walls, it shouldn't be too much longer, I would think anyway. But unfortunately, looking at the time, we are out of time for this episode of Satisfactory. So I guess we got to the logistics floor. We got somewhat of what I wanted to get done. This wall took me hours to build because I kind of redesigned it like several times trying to get the look I was trying to go for, and this is what I come up with. So it looks all right. You guys can let me know what you think, I suppose. But yeah, I think we're going to go with this. So next time, obviously continuing to build this. Hopefully next time we can get a decent amount done. Obviously we need to build this factory in reverse. We're going to have to build this can be the logistics floor here, and then right above that, that's where our assemblers for our aluminum sheets and our aluminum casings are going to go, and then we need to then do the logistics floor above that, which is going to bring down our materials to make those, and so on. So we're going to have to build it in reverse to make this work. So we'll see what happens. We'll see how well we can make it work. So anyway, that is going to be it for this episode of Satisfactory, like I said. So I do hope you enjoy. Oh, and before you go, I would like to give a huge shout out and thank you to all of the investors you can see here. Seriously, thank you. You guys are awesome. It is much appreciated. And until next time, I guess it's a goodbye.